Guys, I show you how our aircon was like LG. Look, she do this, that, and like this. And this one is so nice. Look, guys. She can open up. She can open itself. But I'm scared. I'm scared to take it off because my grandpa is gonna pak me. So you can turn on this, but I'm scared because they were noise. But what's your favorite? This or this or this? What's your favorite?